तो कैसे तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। मैं उजय खगरम, आप देख रहे हैं किस टेक्नोलॉजी। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम बोलने वाले कुछ ऐसे CMD कमांड्स के बारे में जो मतलब काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव है और मतलब काफ़ी यूज़फुल है कुछ कंप्यूटर इन्फॉर्मेशन को जानने के लिए। और इम्प्रेसिव उस तरह से, मतलब सपोज आपके बाजू में कोई हो और आप दिखा सको कि आई नो हाउ टू यूज़ कंप्यूटर वेरी नाइसली, बट ये मतलब एक है इट विल लुक लाइक एन हैकिंग, बट ये हैकिंग नहीं है। दिस इज़ अ वेरी नॉर्मल कंटेंट, नो नीड ऑफ कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक। तो चलिए, हम अपनी स्क्रीन तो आपको दिख ही रही होगी। तो अब हमको क्या करना है, सिंपली आपको Windows+R प्रेस करना है और उस पर आपको टाइप करना है CMD और प्रेस कर दीजिए एंटर। तो अब प्रेस करने के बाद सबसे पहले हम इसको मैक्सिमाइज़ कर लेते हैं और इसको एज अ हैकिंग में आपको क्या होगा पता होगा कि ग्रीन कलर में होता है। तो सब हम ग्रीन कलर में ले लेते हैं। तो इसके लिए आपको लिखना है color2, COLOR स्पेस 2, सब कुछ स्मॉल में आएगा और COLOUR नहीं होगा, सिर्फ COLOR होगा। कलर आई फॉरगॉट टू, color2. So this change to green color. Now to clean this, you have to just write CLS. That is clean. The first command is tree. Tree helps you to represent your data in this type of form, tabular form, or you can say diagrammatic show. This is the way it looks like hacking, but not at all. So let's try other command. Wait. So other command is task list. Just write TASKLIST. I hacked you. I am not hacking you. So this was a command which shows what all things are running in your task list now. Suppose here I can see that F recorder means I'm the Filmora recorder. I'm recording my screen. Task manager, I'm CMD exe. You can see here that CMD, then F recorder. These all things are running in my laptop now. So this was the second command. These are even useful. So for the other command, you just type system info. This is not full system, but you just have to write system info. Okay, this is not recognized. I am sorry. That is system info full, but without space. I will try one more time in front of you. So just it is loading all the information. See, it is loaded. So we will try once more. System info. You have to write like this: SYSTEMINFO. No space. All things in small. And just it is loading now. And next will be IP configuration. Just you have to write a IP config. And here all the IP configuration has been come. I just blur some things which are used to be, it is meant to be private, so that's why. So this was some CMD commands. Even I have these things for mobile event. This is my screen and now I'm going to edit. So you can have this for mobile event. So we will do mobile also for now only, for PC and mobile. So for mobile, just you have to download an application from a Play Store which is known as Geek Typer. This is not a hacking, but this is a full क्लोन ऑफ टर्मिनेटर. टर्मिनेटर रहता है उसी तरह से, अब पूरा हैकिंग के टाइप से ही लगेगा, लेकिन ना ये कोई CMD कमांड से ना भी कोई ये हैकिंग है. तो बस ये सिर्फ ऐसे ही शो के लिए, ऐसा गेम टाइप. तो अब मोबाइल के स्क्रीन पे भी चलते हैं. So now you are able to see our phone screen. So this is my phone and I am going to record. I am recording this screen. So first of all, this is my phone. Just I have to install one application which I told before also, The name is Geek Typer. Yes, the Geek Typer information will help you for that. Where is that app? I'm not able to find it. So here, hi, I found my app Geek Typer. I was not able to find on my home screen, so I just searched it and find it. So this is the first interference when you open the screen. So warning: this is nowhere designed to parody hacking done in TV shows and movies. There is no real hacking going on. Please be careful and where and how you use this app. Okay, so as you I learned, I just read it, and they are telling that this is not a real hacking one. So just press this. I will use it with responsibility. And here your terminator comes, and now whatever you type, this is being automatically circuit X or January. Very good. Bye bye. Compiling nodes. And if you keep this in auto, that will be done automatically. Suppose I trace this SIOP. भाई सब में एक ही खुल रहा है, छोड़ो ना. And just we are completing nodes with and this we are accessed in it. Then press access granted. It was so easy. Just press anything, automatic it will be hacked. So this is very interesting thing. So you can do. So बस आज के लिए बस इतना ही रख